this should be an exciting moment for me.
Mary Smith is newly engaged and eager to tie the knot.
I would love it at Disneyland.
But saying I do in Disney's Fantasyland is just that, a fantasy at this point.
I don't feel comfortable planning anything until I get this all sorted out.
Mary's hang-up is with her bank. Last year, Wells Fargo wouldn't let her make a credit card payment, so she called in.
And what they informed me was there was nothing they can do for me at that time because my account was now being overseen by the bankruptcy department.
Mary says she has never filed for bankruptcy, but Wells Fargo's computers said she had. Mary figured this was simple mistaken identity because her real name is almost as common as Mary Smith.
Very common, to the point where even when I went to the bank, the branch, there were so many he had to try to narrow down which Mary Smith I was.
Mary says various reps assured her they would fix the error. Months went by. Nothing changed, except her credit score.
It's gone down significantly. I went from having great credit to I wouldn't be surprised if I was looking into moving or buying a car or anything that impacted my credit score, I would be denied.
She showed us her credit report. There's one reference to bankruptcy, added by Wells Fargo. So Mary turned to us.
Help me, please.
We immediately asked Wells Fargo to intervene. Meanwhile, we searched court records. We found Mary Smith's name, plus the last 4 digits of her Social Security number on a bankruptcy filing from last year in Los Angeles.
I've never lived in Los Angeles before in my life.
So what happened? We're going to print a big California map to help explain. Mary lives here, but the bankruptcy court trustee down in Los Angeles told us she and several others were unknowingly written into a real estate scheme near Palm Springs. A homeowner down there filed a flurry of fake papers using real names and Social Security numbers to stall his foreclosure.
Records show the court eventually caught on and let the foreclosure proceed. A judge also dismissed Mary's bogus bankruptcy. We tried to share all this with Wells Fargo. We also requested an interview. The bank refused to address Mary's case with us, citing its privacy policy. It agreed only to send us a general statement, saying, in part, when a bankruptcy case is filed that impacts or appears to impact our customer or account, Wells Fargo follows the provisions of the United States Bankruptcy Code and rules. We asked how much longer Mary will have to wait to get her record cleared. We did not receive a response.
It's pretty damaging.
Ike Schulman is a veteran bankruptcy attorney in San Jose. He believes Wells Fargo should have been able to find the paper trail and quickly clear Mary's name.
It's an error by the creditor, and they need to correct that and take whatever steps are required to mitigate the damage.
Since that hasn't happened yet, we recommended Mary apply for a new Social Security number, which is possible when you're an identity theft victim.
I honestly didn't know that was even an option.
It is.
Good to know. I would be open to it at this point with everything that I've gone through.
As for her wedding,
Disney wedding.
Mickey and Minnie must wait. She's not planning a fairy tale event until this banking nightmare is over. Mary says Wells Fargo is still refusing to take her credit card payments, and that means she's carrying an unpaid balance, which can further damage her credit, even though she has the money and she is ready to pay. So what happens next? She got a lawyer.
We're watching this like,
this is so frustrating. I can't even imagine.
Welcome to my life the past 3 or 4 months.
Hopefully this is resolved.
Keep us posted with her, please.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll keep on it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Chris.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Chris. If you have a consumer tip for Chris Kamara and his team, give us a call. Here's the numbers right on your screen, 1-888-996-TIPS, or you can reach out to us, NBCBayArea.com/responds.